Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I'm your host, Uncle Bill, and this is my kitchen. Welcome back, and today I'm excited because we're going to be making something that is delicious. One of my all-time favorites, and I haven't had it in so long. It's a breakfast classic right here in America, and it was made in New York City. Now, how it was made is up to a little bit of controversy. Was it in the 1800s in this New York place called Delmonico's where they made this wonderful dish? Or was there some military guy who came up with the recipe and shared it with the rest of the world? In any event, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make this all-American classic, Eggs Benedict. Stick around, I'm going to show you how to do it right.
Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen.
Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen today. I hope you really enjoyed today's episode. I love doing this content for you, and it's great to see you all sharing my content throughout your social media. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. We love it all. It's really helping drive more traffic to us, and we're gaining a lot more subscribers because of it. So thank you. If you'd like to be more of a part of our channel and help support us, think about becoming a Patreon. Or if you'd just like to give a one-time donation, buy me a cup of coffee. Links in the description below.